Getting started with your Fire Ranger. You will need two 9/16" wrenches and two 10mm wrenches. Unpack the hardware and other accessories. Fill the fuel tank on the engine with regular gasoline. Remove the oil cap and fill the engine with 1030 weight engine oil. On the 60 and 100-gallon units, you have the option of installing the D-ring tie-down system. If you wish to use it, find your desired configuration and mount two tie-down points on each side. On the 200 to 400-gallon models, there are built-in tie-down points on the frame. Make sure the tank valve is open to the pump. You will need to make sure the pump is correctly primed. Start by pulling off the red cap and put water in the pump. Fill the tank with water. Open the pressure relief all the way by turning the T-handle counterclockwise. Before starting the engine, make sure both the drain plug and prime plug are tightened securely to properly hold the sealing O-rings in place. Start the engine and increase the RPMs. Check that water is recirculating back to the tank. Your pump should now be primed. Turn up the pressure on the T-handle until the flow returning to the tank has slowed to a small stream. This will give max pressure while still allowing some recirculation to keep pump cool. Your Fire Ranger should now be ready to use.